Hi everyone, this is Nidhi Singh and you're watching This is Digital Marketing, the Kura series. In today's video, we are going to learn
People say that you can get details of trending topics from Quora and also get to know what are the questions people are asking in your niche. And you can plan your social media accordingly. How do you search these questions?
just like any other search, you go on search bar and type the topic that you're looking for. For instance, if you're looking to know more about digital marketing, you go in search, type digital marketing. If you have a long tail keyword, which means you already know the question around which you want to create content or know the trending stuff, you go and type about what's trending in digital marketing, how to hire a digital marketing team and stuff like that. So the search will give you all the questions around
Can
the
we ask you,
specific.
because this is a very basic question, but a lot of people have a problem with it. Can you show us a demo of this?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome.
Tell me a topic that you guys would want me to search for. So, okay, I am here looking for a long tail keyword called as what is digital marketing. Okay, and now um, maybe I am someone who is trying to sell digital marketing related course. Now think about it like this. Who would want to take a digital marketing course? I'm selling a basic course in digital marketing. My audience would be someone who is not aware about digital marketing, and they are looking for keywords like what is digital marketing. So I search in the search bar what is digital marketing. I see all these questions. Now I will go through all these questions. Maybe I'll press control and I'll start clicking on these links, and I'll open these links side by side and I'll go through and see which questions have, wow. So this question has 1.1K followers, right? I'll write my answer in here so that I get discovered when people are trying to know what is digital marketing. So I'll write about what is digital marketing. And perhaps I can also talk about how I have created a course that gives more information on what exactly is digital marketing. And then you need to be really mindful that if you're just trying to juice out through the platform, of course, platform is going to discourage such answers. So you need to be very organic when you are doing that.
Got it. All right. Other questions coming up?
So in fact, all the questions on this thread are having high followership, which means a lot of people are already interested in this question.
Thank you,
And you
Nikunj.
see, Quora also has, I was talking about Quora monetization, and we discussed that you can even run ads if you have a product. So if you have a digital marketing course, definitely check out what kind of bids you are seeing for digital marketing and run ads. You can do targeting based on questions. You can do targeting based on interest. You can do targeting based on topics. So yeah, a lot of options. You can even do remarketing. If you have an app, you can do app installs campaigns as well.
Awesome. Guys, how many people are learning something today that they did not know till about an hour back? Because the idea of these weekly sessions is to say, I'm going to go with something that I had no idea about an hour ago. Because every day, I love the quote. My favorite quote, Nidhi, in terms of
Yeah.
learning is, you don't know what you don't know. That is
Yeah.
so powerful. If I don't know what I don't know, then my idea is to just get into a company, or like, here at Internet Moguls of the World, I always say we're creating a company, we're creating Sangat. आप एक ऐसी संगत बनाते हो जहां सब कुछ चेंज हो जाता है. So new people are learning new things. And so, I mean, I'm learning so much. I'm taking notes. Thank you so much. Guys, are we all enjoying this? Can we just continue to encourage Nidhi and say thank you so much for giving us these bulb on moments in our minds.
Thank you, guys. Someone said I didn't know that we can post videos on Quora. In fact, briefly, Quora tried to introduce native videos. But what happened was it was not it was not a very successful feature. So then they started, giving better visibility to YouTube videos on Quora, and hence, whenever you will publish, whenever you will include a YouTube link on your Quora answers post, it will nicely give you a thumbnail size space on your answers. So
interesting.
You can get back to your old answers. That's what I did. In fact, someone asked, can I repurpose my answers? Yes, I have done that. I created video out of my own answers, and then I went back and added those videos on those answers itself, saying, here is a video format of the same content if you are a visual person.
Perfect. Nidhi, I just wanted everybody, because they're getting so much value from you. Can we all follow you on Instagram, if that's okay with you?
Absolutely.
Can
you follow my art account.
Can you give us your handle in the comments, please, so we can all follow you?
Absolutely. Let me share firstly my Quora profile. So another thing to note is, whenever you are trying to build a brand on one platform, be very coherent and try to stand for similar things across other platforms also. In my case, of course, if you have different interests, then definitely you will have different identity, but that identity will still be of Nidhi Singh. For instance, on Instagram, I am not really a digital marketer, but I still try to bring some kind of connect, because a lot of people started to clicking through my Quora, and they said, oh, is it your profile, because you like completely look different, you're talking about different kind of things. So I started talking about, I created highlight on Quora and how I met my husband through Quora, and then I included Quora top writer in my Instagram description. Then I added that people who are coming from my LinkedIn should know that I am the same Nidhi Singh from
nice.
place, so that people are able to identify that this is one person at different places, having different doing different things.
And so that's also good permission you're giving to people, because a lot of people get crippled by the fact that kya main kar sakta hu aise. So see, Nidhi is doing multiple things, and she's letting the audience know how it's done. Okay, guys. So Nidhi Singh India. She's put the link. Once we follow, can we just say done in the comment box? Let's add 60 followers to Nidhi today.
Oh wow, that's really nice of you, Avi. I will also take some time to talk about stats. Quora is just like any other platform. Quora will tell you stats about how your content is performing. So yeah, it tells you number of upvotes you're getting, number of shares you're getting, and which are your top performing answers. So if you have already created a lot of content on Quora, you select last 30-day content, and then you can see that this is why do Instagram people follow then unfollow. This answer is still getting a lot of views. Wow. So tomorrow, if I'm considering creating a YouTube video, perhaps I can create a video around this topic, and then again get back and add this video in this link, because I know that SEO benefit is coming to this video. Even after writing it years ago, it is still getting some traction. I wrote something on is doing a job in Mumbai better than Pune. This is again having a great search discoverability, because these are answers I have written years ago.
This is fantastic. That is guys, I hope everybody understood what this is. For all of you people wanting to create any kind of content on YouTube or your blog or anything that you want to rank, this statistic, the statistics are pointing you in the direction of which kind of videos or blog content or what posts, anything that you want to make based on these numbers. Excellent.
Yeah. And then again, I would like to talk about, we were talking about personal brand and how telling personal story really connects with people, and just taking a step back from platform and talking about real connection. I wrote about this personal story, and I have written a couple of personal stories on Quora, and that really connects with people, and that helps people know who really Nidhi Singh is. She's coming from Steel City, Bhilai. She's now in City of Dreams, and she has been doing digital marketing for 10 years. In her life, she highly, talks about experimenting in digital marketing. She has been active in on Quora for like a really long time, and she has met her husband through Quora. In fact, after we wrote this answer, my husband is also a Quora top writer. He's also a pretty influential person on Quora, and I'll also quickly open his profile. So what there was a sudden shift in my personal brand after we wrote this answer about meeting on Quora and getting married through Quora. And suddenly a lot of people started to, identify us as Quora couple.
I like that.
So yeah, this is my husband's profile. And as I was saying that again, create a very good profile, because even if one person is coming to your profile, they should actually get some value or knowledge through your profile. Or at least they should be able to know the person behind the profile.
इनके profile में कहाँ लिखा है I met my wife through Quora?
He actually wrote an answer. There is a question called as have people met on Quora and gotten married? And that question kind of, he has written like way more number of answers than I have written, 1.3
nice.
answer. Yeah, and he wrote about that. And actually we are pretty active in the Quora community. We know a lot of our friends are Quora. And I thought someone was saying something.
Yeah, guys, आप में से किसी का audio on है. I don't know how that audio feed is coming through, but can you please mute your audios, please? Bhaskar, is that your audio?
No, sir.
Okay. Bhaskar, are we ready to put cameras on or not? Are we not able to figure that out?
Yes, sir. We are ready to put cameras on.
So let's put everybody's cameras on. Let's bring everybody on. Guys, you can put on your cameras and come and say hello to Nidhi. We're going to take a group selfie. We're going to post it everywhere. We're going to tell people Nidhi was here today.
It's saying you cannot start your video because the host has stopped it.
Host, please allow Bhaskar. Yeah, Bhaskar is going to allow one by one.
Just give me a moment.
Okay. So Nidhi, yeah, you were showing something on your YouTube channel. We like to see that.
Yeah.
I like the cover art.
Yeah, I mean, Canva is a great tool if you are trying to, build your personal brand, make it your friend. It's super amazing, so many templates and super user friendly. So do friendship with Canva. It's Canva. Yeah, actually, my YouTube channel in a way also happened because I started to have recognition through Quora. Quora has given me a lot of things. Building a personal brand on Quora, I never intended to build a personal brand. It is something that happened to me. I happened to become a Quora top writer. Whenever I'm answering a question, it's not just that I'm trying to give value to readers. More often than not, I'm actually trying to figure things out for my own self.
Right.
And in that journey, there is a two-way learning that happens. I learn something, and someone who is reading that learns something. And I think that has professionally helped me a lot in my professional journey. I am picked through so many must-follow digital marketing lists because of Quora. If you search Nidhi Singh marketer on Google, you will see I am since 2017, I have been appearing in several digital marketing lists. I have recently won this award. It is called Women Awards.
That's all for now, folks. If you have any queries or questions, do hit comment section, because the best way to learn is by asking questions. And I make sure that I respond to 100% of my comments. So go ahead. See you in the next video.